Gaurav Arya, the alleged drug dealer linked to several big neta and actors. So there is a nexus of drug dealers, netas and actors, Rahul. This is what our sources are suggesting.
Absolutely. Now, look, no one does this for charity. If you are a supplier, you will have individuals who will be invested in the criminal world. This is, after all, contraband. You will not be taking a risk just to spread MDMA, ecstasy, and other contraband substances for the fun of it. You will not be taking that risk without certain reward. And it stands to reason that individuals like Gaurav Arya, who we are being told is an influential member of this larger ring that supplies drugs to B-Town, Bollywood, as well as, of course, individuals, even in business houses and in other high places, perhaps even government, are individuals that are working in tandem. And what we are being told is that they have wide play and they are being allowed, of course, greater spread. Yes,
absolutely. And it's not just Rhea Chakrabarti. As per our next news break number 6, the sources are telling us that the NCB lens is on not just Rhea but other names as well, beyond Rhea's ring. So Rahul, I believe here we are talking about not just those individuals that Rhea was staying in touch with and talking about drugs, but like you said, other big names also coming under the scanner.
Yeah, absolutely. Now remember, as I told you, the NCB is trying to discern whether Rhea Chakrabarti is the tail end or whether she is one of those in the middle. Now, there are many people who we have spoken to who have been part of the investigative apparatus in Mumbai, and they have told us that a large number of suppliers and the kingpins of the drug nexus in Bollywood rely upon individuals that have access to high places so that they can push the contraband into those affluent circles where profits can be had. Now, as I told you, Swati, this is a high-stakes money game. The drugs are manufactured or grown, call them what you want, in places like Afghanistan where law and order is not really robust. There are many cartels, groups, and various types of criminal minds and agencies that work to harness this and then export it. Export means smuggle it across Iran, across Pakistan, and it makes its way into the Middle East, and from there, and of course the former CIS countries, and from there into Europe and down south here into the subcontinent. So there are individuals who are invested in this business. We don't quite know where Rhea fits in. This is what the NCB wants to also obviously discern. The WhatsApp chats are hardly going to give you that kind of information. You will connect the dots. You will then see who Rhea speaks to. Then you will begin to investigate those individuals. And I can also tell you, I'm sure at this point in time, those individuals must be really worried because all of this, of course, has been sourced from deleted messages, WhatsApps, emails, etc. So nothing is safe. It doesn't mean that if you delete all of this, it can't be retrieved. It can be retrieved. So quite clearly, the NCB is looking beyond Rhea, looking at the source. This is a golden opportunity to strike at the root and really sever the trunk of this entire drug racket from its roots, and then, of course, address the situation in the underworld by targeting those individuals. So that's the whole attempt right now.
Well, Gaurav Arya appears to be the main character as far as the chats are concerned, Rahul, and the next news break is about Gaurav Arya's location. We spoke to him on the phone. He denied the charges, but we have solid leads now on where he was last seen. And sources are telling us that Gaurav Arya's last location was traced to Goa. Looks like only a matter of time before the agencies get to him.
Absolutely. This is what we are being told. Now, Times Now also spoke to Gaurav Arya. We tried to connect with him. He banged the phone down on us. We had a couple of monosyllabic answers from him. He was saying, trying to be a little circumspect with us. The moment we told him we were from Times Now, he cut our phone, and then he blocked a large number of our colleagues who have been trying to track him from contacting him again. So, in the interest of fair play and fair investigative journalism, we do introduce ourselves ourselves. We could choose not to, but Times Now doesn't play, in a manner that is underhand. We want to be upfront. We introduce ourselves. In the moment we introduced ourselves, Gaurav Arya cut the line. Now we are being told, Swati, that at this level, the inquiry can only take off when the NCB gets in touch with certain individuals. This is what was the nature of our interaction with Gaurav Arya. Listen to this, and we'll go across to Vivek right after, because we are being told that Kangana Ranaut, who's playing a bit of a role in this entire long-drawn saga, has also tweeted.